conference here was really all-encompassing in a very powerful way. The range of building behaviors that was undertaken at this conference was really profound, because we saw clusters even working at this very small scale of responsive materials, all the way up to sort of concepts for large-scale structures. And there was a lot of cross-pollination in the ideas. CASE had two clusters in the workshop. One was called Bioresponsive Building Envelopes, and that was looking at the tech transfer from the display industry of electropolymeric material that can be dynamic and responsive, and basically embed many different conditions into a building envelope or into a window. And we had another cluster that was called Form Follows Flow, and that was looking at the kind of design feedback loop whereby you can have a mechatronic model, or a model that can change shape like a robot, in the wind tunnel, and you can get instant feedback on how the changes in morphology can affect airflow in and around a building, and then also how that in turn can affect energy numbers and other things. The collective knowledge in these clusters is mind-boggling. We're talking about centuries of knowledge in total. There are everywhere from senior architects and engineers in these clusters that have been working on buildings and the research of buildings for decades, all the way down to undergraduate students. I think it's an incredibly important contribution to all of the building professions, what Bentley is doing by supporting this conference. And the fact that they have also allowed it to be a conceptual platform for all sorts of ways of thinking about the relationship between computing and material constructs is, I think, very, very forward-thinking. We can actually, really look towards the future and push on the future together as a group is just a phenomenal opportunity. And I don't know of any other opportunity, really, quite like this.